Today we have organized this press meet to convey the latest developments taken place on cost accountancy profession for awareness of public. You are aware that in New Companies Act 2013 have been passed by the Parliament as well as it got assent of the President of India, and now it has taken place in place of 1956 Companies Act. According to this, the government has issued draft rules under the Companies Act 2013 in respect of the company's cost records and cost audit rules 2013, repealing the earlier orders. Earlier it was Companies Cost Accounting Record Rules 2011 and the Companies Cost Audit Rules 2011. Now they have merged both the names of the cost account records and cost audit rules, and they made it as a single term as a Companies Cost Records and Cost Audit Rules 2013. The new rules have drastically eliminated the role of cost audit from the Indian economy, which hampers the benefit of consumers at last. It not only affects the consumers individually, and also the total sector and the economy will also at large gets it hit. It hurts the economy totally. The threshold limit of turnover as well as net worth has been increased from 5 crores to 500 crores in respect of net worth, and from 20 crores to 100 crores turnover, which eliminates so many products and so many companies need not maintain cost records as well as the audit of those records. Because of maintenance of cost records by companies, particularly small and medium enterprises, when the threshold limit has been raised from 20 crores to 100 crores, there will be no maintenance of cost records. The government will get major information from maintenance of cost records only, because it scrutinizes the total production process and gives the total expenditure involved in manufacturing or producing a good. Based on that, the government will get revenue, perfect revenue from the goods they manufacture, and also the consumer will also get the product, the goods at lower prices, because the manufacturer cannot fix the price at his own. The government will have correct information regarding the production. So this has been hampered now because of this increase of this total limits. And also earlier all listed companies were also there for maintenance of cost records and audits. That limit also has been removed now from these new rules. So these are the effects of our economy has going to get. And earlier to 2011, 44 industries were covered, and in the year 2011, on the basis of the recommendation of expert group, which studied our Indian economy for more than 4 years, and they have recommended, in the interest of the public and interest of the nation, the need and the necessity of maintenance of cost records. Because of that, in the year 2011, the government has issued, the Ministry of Corporate Affairs has issued 2 orders, that is cost accounting record rules as well as 2011, as well as cost audit report rules 2011. It has covered so many industries. So many industries have covered in that, and particularly they have given 6 industries for maintenance of cost records. There 6 industries have been repealed by this new order. They are cost accounting records: telecommunication industry, petroleum industry, electricity industry, sugar industry, fertilizer industry, and pharmaceutical industry. These industries have been eliminated from the records, maintenance of cost records. Pharmaceutical industry, particularly our country, poor country, the people cannot purchase the drugs at a higher cost. Which, if the cost account records maintenance is there, the government can give policy, they can frame the policy for fixation of correct prices. And also fertilizers, basically ours is more than 70% people are dependent on agriculture even today.